A boat can travel 33 kilometers upstream in 6 hours. Then per hour it will be divided by 6. How much is that? 5.5 kilometer per hour upstream m minus s. Speed of the stream is 1.5. If s is equals to 1.5, m is equal to 7. How much time will it take the boat to cover a distance of 68 kilometers downstream? 68 kilometers downstream speed, m plus s, 8.5, 17 by 2, 4 times into 2, 8 hours. Yes. The sum of number and its 4/9 of is equals to 5/9 of 93.6. What is the square of the number? 5/9 of this number. Is it a 9 multiple? So this 9 and this 9 gets cancelled and you will get an integer. Correct? And that integer is equals to, there is a number plus 4/9 of the number. It is not simply we are adding 4/9 fraction. If the number is x, we have to add 4/9 of x. That value is equal to integer. Are you okay? Then this x must be a 9 multiple. Then only you will get integer right hand side. Correct? And question is to identify square of the number. If x is equal to 9 multiple, its square is going to be 81 multiple. Ideally 9 multiple. Yes? Can it be first option? Second, third, fourth, fifth? Come on. Fifth option, sum of digits. Sum of digits is 18. Is it 9 multiple or not? Okay. Now, answer can be either fourth option or fifth option. If I take x is equal to 9 multiple, I'll take 9a or 9 parts. Are you okay? Then x square is going to be 81 p square, right? Correct? I don't want to calculate exactly, approximately I am taking. What is 81 10 times? 20 times? Fourth option is in between 10 and 20. Between 10 and 20, which square is there? 10 కి 20 కి మధ్యలో ఏ స్క్వేర్ ఉందమ్మా? 16 కదా స్క్వేర్ అవ్వాల్సింది, అక్కడ 4 స్క్వేరే కదా. అంటే దట్ కెన్ బి 81 into 16. కరెక్ట్? లాస్ట్ డిజిట్ వెరిఫికేషన్ ends with 6. Second option is possible. We are able to write this number as 81 p square format. What is 20 times of this number? Fifth option is more than that, but less than 30 times. What is 30 times of this number? 2430, correct? So fifth option range is 20 to 30. Yes. Between 20 and 30, which square is available? 5 square, 25, ends with 5. So it should be a 5 multiple, right? Is your fifth option 5 multiple? So without verification whether it is in the form of 81 p square, you can eliminate this option. Yes, because that is not 81 25 times. If you don't understand, x plus 4/9 of x is equal to 5 by 9 times of 93.6. Let me take 5 times. Take 10 times and half of it. 10 times 936. Half of it 4, 6, 8 divided by 9. Left hand side value is 13. X by 9 is equal to that much. Then x is equal to 468 by 13 only. Come on. Which is equal to 13. 3 times. 6 times. X square is 36 square, 1296. Yes. The ratio between the respective ratio of a number of male and number of female in a village is 7:11:13. Female villages are 2,800 more than male villages. Female are how many parts more than male? 2 parts. In terms of a number, 2,800. Then 1 part, 1,400. If you multiply that with 11, you'll get male. Multiply it with 13, you'll get female. Multiply it with 24, you'll get total population. If the total population of village B is 25% more than total population of village A, what is the total population of village B? Total population of village A, how many parts? 20. B total population is 25% more than that. What is 25% of this number? 6. 6 more, 30. If A population is 24 parts, B population should be 30 parts. And we were asked to calculate this number only. 3 zeros should be there. There is only one option. Fifth option, final. I haven't seen fifth option. కనపడట్లేదు కదా మనకి, కానీ అదే కదా ఆన్సర్. ఇప్పుడు కనపడింది. In an examination, 4 candidates scored 54, 60, 34, 68% marks. If the total marks in the examination were 1350, what is the total marks secured by these 4 students? Okay. First of all, total number of marks in each exam. Come on. 13. Did you observe something? 9 multiple. So whatever the percentage, it should be 9 multiple. Answer also should be 9 multiple. Right. 2, 3, 4, 9. Left over 4. No. 9, 2 plus 1 plus 6. Yes. Maybe your answer. 9. 2 plus 8 plus 5. 15. No. No. Yes. 2 possibilities are there. Correct? Okay. Now, we were asked to calculate total percentage. Answer can be either this or this. Observe both. One is ending with 0. The other is not ending with non-zero. Just verify whether answer can be a 5 multiple or not. Okay now? Okay. 50, 60, 110, 30, 140, 60, 200. Left over. 4 plus 4 plus 8. That is total 216 percentage. Correct? What is 100%? This one. 1% of it, 13.5, can be written as 27 by 2. This is the one, right? Come on. Do you have 5 multiple? Can your answer be a 5 multiple? Second option, final answer. Or else you can verify last digit verification also. 6 into 7 ends with, denominator ends with, 2 into which number ends with 2? Either 1 or 6. There is only one option which is ending with 6. Seema traveling at a speed of 80 km per hour by car reaches home from office 9 minutes early as compared to when she travels at the speed of 70 km per hour. Find the distance between home to office. First case, at what speed she was traveling? Second case, ratio. Which ratio? Speeds ratio. How much is that? Then time ratio. In which case it is taking less time? First case, how many parts less? How many minutes less? 1 part is equal to 9. 7 parts, 63. And at that time, what was the speed? 80. We were asked to calculate distance kada. Speed into time divided by 60 to convert minutes to hours. Are you okay? 20. 4 times 20. 3 times 3. 21 into 4. 84. The difference between two numbers is 20. Their HCF and LCM are 4 and 96 respectively. What is the sum of squares of two numbers? Sum of squares of two numbers. When the HCF is 4, we can say numbers, both the numbers are 4 multiples, 4x and 4y. Are you okay? So product of two numbers is equals to, or otherwise, if you treat your numbers as 4x comma 4y, the LCM of these numbers is, you can take 4 common first, x comma y LCM, x into y. So both the numbers LCM must be 4 into xy, which is equal to 4 how many times? 24 times. Then product of x and y is 24 only. Difference between both the numbers is 20. 4x comma 4y, difference will be 4 times of x minus y is equal to 20. Then x minus y, 5. So product of numbers must be 24. Difference must be 5. Identify the combination 8 comma 3. 8 3s 24. 8 minus 3, 5. X is 8. Y is 3. Then 4x is 4 into 8, 32. 4y, 4 into 3, 12. Question is to identify sum of their squares. Correct? This fellow ends with, this fellow ends with, answer ends with, how many are there? Huh? Only 2 eliminated. Yes? Tappadinka. 1024, 144, 1168. The percentage of loss incurred by selling an article for 24,280 is equal to percentage of profit earned. Stop. When loss percentage and profit percentage both are equal, how do we get cost price? Average. How do you get cost price? Average of both the numbers. 24,000, 36,000, 60,000. Got it? Average 30,000 so far. Remember. 280, 420, 700. Average 350. Then cost price is 30,350. At what price should the article be sold so as to earn a profit of 28%? If you are expecting 28% profit, you have to sell it at 128%. Yes or no? 128%. పెద్దదవుతుంది అనుకుంటా. చలో ప్రాబ్లం లేదు. 128 into 1% value. What is 1%? 303.5. Can I write it as 607 by 2? 2 how many times? Ends with how many? Over. The average of 9 observations is 47. If the average of first 4 is 57, last 4 is 32. What is the value of fifth observation? 9 numbers are there. Out of 9 numbers, first 4 average is mentioned. Last 4 average is mentioned. What is happening to this fifth number? Missing or repeating? Missing. Out of 9 numbers, first 4 covered, last 4 covered, fifth is missing. If it is number missing case, it is reverse effect. If it is number missing case, it is reverse effect. If it is number repeat case, if it is number repeat case, let me write it here. If it is number repeat, it is direct effect. I'll explain what is reverse effect and what is direct effect. Reverse effect in the sense, if average is more, we have to subtract. If average is less, we will add. We are doing exactly opposite. So it is called reverse effect. If it is number missing case, we use this. If it is number repeat case, direct effect. Direct effect meaning if average is more, add. If average is less, subtract. So you just need to identify whether it is missing case or repeat case. In the same question, if it is first 5 observations and last 5 observations, then it will be which case? Repeat case. First 5 numbers, 5th number included. Last 5 also 5th number included. So 5th number came twice. So it is repeat case. You got it? Right. So now we use the reverse effect. Average of all 9 numbers given as 47. So I'll take 5th number also 47 according to equality concept. First 4 numbers average 57, which is more than the actual average. How much more? How many numbers are there? 4. 4 into 10, 40 more. As it is reverse effect, we will subtract 40. Average of last 4 numbers is 32, which is 15 less than original average. Like that 4 numbers are there. 4 into 15, 60 less. As it is reverse effect, we will add 60. Plus 60 minus 40. Plus 20. 20 added to 47. 67, third option. Got it? In a traditional method, you are supposed to do like this. 9 number sum is equal to 9 into 47. First 4 numbers subtracted whose average is 57. Last 4 numbers sum subtracted whose average is 32. This is what you are supposed to calculate. Even if you do that, you will get 67. Got it? Yes? Right. So to make you understand this, I'll explain at the end of the session. గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవటం ఈజీగా ఉండటం కోసం. అదర్వైజ్ ఐల్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ హియర్. టైం ఉంది కదా, సరిపోద్ది. సపోజ్ బ్రేక్ఫాస్ట్ చేసారా? ఏం మాట్లాడుతున్నావు నువ్వు, నీకు అసలు బుద్ధి ఉందా లేదా? లంచ్ టైంలో బ్రేక్ఫాస్ట్ గురించే మాట్లాడతావేంట అన్నట్లుగా చూసింది ఈ అమ్మాయి. బ్రేక్ఫాస్ట్ చేశారని అనుకుందాం. ఎక్కడ తిన్నారు? హోటల్లో తిన్నారు అనుకుందాం. కొంచెంసేపు చిచ్చియా ఏక ఏమైంది? హోటల్ ముగ్గురు వెళ్ళారు అనుకుందాం. యు ఆల్ హ్యావ్ 50 రూపీస్ ఈచ్. చూజ్ యువర్ నంబర్ 1, 2, 3. విచ్ వన్? వాట్ ఈజ్ యువర్ నంబర్? 1, 2, 3. 3 అనుకుందాం. ఓకేనా? రైట్. ఈ స్టార్ మార్క్ మీకే. మీరు ముగ్గురు కలిసి వెళ్ళారు, బెస్ట్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, టు హ్యావ్ బ్రేక్ఫాస్ట్. ఫస్ట్ పర్సన్ గేవ్ ఎన్ ఆర్డర్ వర్త్ ఆఫ్ 70 రూపీస్. ఏంటి, ఏమనిపించట్లేదా? టెన్షన్? హాఫ్ టెన్షన్ పోనీ, ఫుల్ టెన్షన్ కాకపోయినా హాఫ్ టెన్షన్ ఉందా? రైట్. నౌ సెకండ్ పర్సన్ చాయిస్. సెకండ్ పర్సన్ గేవ్ ఎన్ ఆర్డర్ ఐటమ్ వర్త్ ఆఫ్ 60 రూపీస్. టెన్షన్? డబల్ టెన్షన్. ఫస్ట్ పర్సన్ నీడ్ 20 rupees more. Second person need. Now it is your turn. You can order an item worth of only 20 rupees. Yes? Today is done. Now tomorrow. First person ordered an item worth of 30 rupees, let's say. Happy? Half happy? రెండో వాడు కూడా ఉన్నాడు కదా, హాఫే కదా హ్యాపీ. నౌ సెకండ్ పర్సన్ కేమ్. సెకండ్ పర్సన్ ఆర్డర్డ్ అన్ ఐటమ్ వర్త్ ఆఫ్ 20 రూపీస్. హ్యాపీ? ఏమనాలి ఇప్పుడు? డబుల్ హ్యాపీ. నౌ ఇట్ ఈస్ యువర్ టర్న్. యూ కెన్ ఆర్డర్ అన్ ఐటమ్ వర్త్ ఆఫ్, నిన్నటిది వాటిది కలిపి రేపు తినేయచ్చు కదా. వాట్ ఎవర్ ఈజ్ హ్యాపెండ్ హియర్, ద సేమ్ ఐ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ హియర్. First 2 members, what is your average? Average is 50. First 2 people ordered an item worth of more than the average. Then what is happening to your value? Increasing or decreasing? If their other people average is more, your value is decreasing. Yes. If other people average is less, your value is increasing. This is what reverse effect. And it will happen in which case? Number missing case. If it is number repeat case, direct effect. You got it? So try to remember one effect, the other easy. Is it clear? Right, next. If the total price of 12 bowls and 16 pence is 348, what is the total price of 30 bowls and 56 pence? Sometimes answer can be determined, sometimes answer cannot be determined. When you can answer the question, if number of bowls and number of pence increase or decrease is in same proportional, then you can answer the question. The reason being, we were given cost of few items. Both put together it is 348. And we have bowls and then pans. We don't know the cost of each bowl and each pan. So one is treated as X, the other is treated as Y. We have only one equation, but two variables are there. Ideally speaking, it is 12x plus 16y is equal to 348. You cannot assume values for x and y. You cannot do that. Ideally, we have one equation and two variables. Individual values we cannot do. If value, number of items of bowls and then pans, both are increasing, and which is every time it is becoming 2 times. So bowls are 2 times, which is 24. And pans are also 2 times, which is 32. Because both are increasing in the same proportion, which is 2 times, price also will be exactly double. Ardhamainda? If this increment is not in proportion, we cannot answer the question. You got it? Right. So in question, how many bowls are there? And in question, so 12, how many times is 30? 2.5 times. 2.5 times. If pans are also 2.5 times. 2.5 times in the sense 40. If you have 40 pans here, answer also will be 2.5 times of 348. But do we have 40 pans there? No. Apart from 40, if you have any other number, answer cannot be determined. So answer 5th option. ABCD distributed a certain sum of money among themselves in the ratio 11:8, 13:5. If the difference between amount received by AD is 138, what is the total amount received by B and C? B and C. Answer done. B and C, how many parts? 21 parts. Should be a multiple of 3. Can it be first? No. Second? No. Third? Yes. Fourth? No. Fifth? No. There is only one 3 multiple. Third option, final answer. If you want to calculate AD difference, how many parts? Which is equal to 138. Then one part is equal to divided by 6. And you want 21 parts. This is what we have to calculate. Right. Flower basis. First, that's what we have to complete. Is it in the form of a square minus b square? Don't change these values. Look at them as a square minus b square. A plus b into a minus b. Let me make denominators equal. That way, I'll just treat 7 1 by 2 as 7 2 by 4 for simplification purpose. A plus b. 7 2 by 4 plus 3 3 by 4. Let's first add integers. 7 plus 3 10. Okay. Now fraction. 2 by 4 3 by 4. 5 by 4 in the sense 1 1 by 4. Already 10 plus 1 1 by 4. 11 1 by 4. A plus b into a minus b. What is that we have to subtract? 3 by 4. Subtract 4. Add 1 by 4. Come on. Subtract 4. How much? 3, 2 by 4. Add 1 by 4. 3, 3 by 4. A plus B into A minus B. Done. Divided by 11, 1 by 4. Cancel. 3, 3 by 4. Done. Okay. Left hand side again. A plus B into A minus B. A plus B. A minus B is equal to X into, again, A square minus B square. That value comes to left hand side denominator only. A plus B. A minus B. Answer. Second option. Over. Answer is done. In denominators, do you have even number? 5 multiple? No. Look at your numerator. Do you have even number? Do you have 5 multiple? Answer ends with first, third, fifth. Eliminated. 2 options are there. Observe those two carefully. One is 9 multiple, the other is 11 multiple. Either you prove one is right or you prove one is wrong. 550, interesting number, 11 multiple. Yes. Observe your numerators. Do you see anywhere 11 multiple? Can that be your answer? Over. Followed. %% of 250. 7 into 10% only. 10% of 250. 25. 7 times of 25. 175 minus 20% of 125. 25. Okay. X is in right hand side. Extra number in right hand side. Minus 17 comes left hand side, becomes plus 17. Ends with 7. 5 minus 5, 0, plus 7, 7. Only 1. Done. Come on. ఒక్క నిమిషం ఆగండి. ఛాన్స్ ఉంది. 2 ఆప్షన్స్ ఉన్నాయి. We have to calculate. ఇది అవ్వదు, ఇదే అవుతుంది. How much is this? 25. 25 plus 144. 169 under root. 13 plus 23. 30 under root of 36. 10 minus 6. Root 4. 2 into 2. Done. Let me tell you how I verified. 2 goes to this number, right? Come on. So your answer is 2 into something. Yes? Do you have denominator here? When you don't have denominator, can you eliminate this 2? So answer must be even number, 2 multiple. So first, third, fifth, these are eliminated. This is 2 into how much? This is 2 into how much? So if this entire value is equals to 1, then your answer is second option. Yes. If this has to be equals to 1, from 10, how much you need to subtract? Come on. That means your second under root value should be equal to 81, right? 81. Then only under root of 81 becomes 9. 10 minus 9 becomes 1. Root 1 is equals to 1. Correct? Use your common sense and look at the second under root value, 23 plus something. Is there any chance of getting 81 there? Come on. Is there any chance of getting 81? No way. So, this is eliminated. When you don't get 9 over there, 10 minus 9 root 1 you will not get. So answer cannot be 2. Okay. Zero 0.5 cube cancelled in 0.5 to the power of 4. How much is left? 0.5. Can I write it as 1 by 2? Okay. 4 power 0.5. Can I write it as 4 power 1 by 2? Which is under root of 4, which is equal to 2 into 1 by 2. Fourth option. Come on. Right. X is in right hand side. Don't change that. Extra value 9 power 4. 729 can be written as 9 cube into 9. 9 power 4, 9 power 4 cancelled. 2 cube. 8 cancelled in 16. 2. Denominator what is there? అదే కదా. Let's verify. ఏం అవ్వదు. Three digits చేయాల్సిందే. చలో విల్ సి. If right hand side extra number comes left hand side, that becomes plus, correct? 43 minus 23. 20 plus 62. Answer should end with, okay. Last 3 digits are same, right? Avana? But which is different? Thousands place is different. Approximately 1000 difference you have, correct? Okay. Approximately 2200, correct? Add it to this number. Answer will be in 4000. అర్థమైందా? థౌజండ్స్ ప్లేసెస్ చెక్ చేసాం అంతే. చేయాల్సిందే. ఇంతవరకే చేయగలం. ఇది కూడా చేయగలం. ఇది కూడా చేయగలం. థర్డ్ ఆప్షన్ ఆన్సర్. రైట్. 4 times double 7 4 4 8 14 8 9 6. Right hand side 2 7 9 6. Last 2 digits 2 zeros. 121 x square 1 1 0. Yes. Now let me eliminate options. You know that this fellow goes to right hand side and becomes minus 2 7 9 6, correct? This fellow ends with 6 minus 6 ends with. If x square is ending with 0, x must end with 0. Second and fifth eliminated. Are you okay? Okay. Number whatever you are subtracting, 2796. Observe that number. 3 multiple. Your first number 3724. Is it a 3 multiple? Come on. Into 4 you have, right? That is also not 3 multiple. So your first number, positive number, is it a 3 multiple? But you are subtracting 3 multiple from that number. Your result is that going to be 3 multiple or non 3 multiple? Non 3 multiple. If x square is non 3 multiple, can x be a non 3 multiple? No. One more option eliminated. Come on. Yes. So your answer is either 100 or 110. If it has to be 100, x square value, what is that you should get? 10,000 kada. X square you should get 10,000. Agreed or not? Okay. 3700. Forget about 24 for some time. 37 4 times. It is going to be 13,000 something. Come on. From that, if you subtract 2,700 something, are you going to get 10,000? This cannot be the one. Rest all eliminated except third, and that's our final answer. అర్థం కాలేదంటే మొత్తం చేయటమే, అంతే కదా, ఇంకేముంది చేయటానికి. This goes to the other side. Other two numbers in right hand side will come to left hand side. Under root of 2809, 53. This number comes left hand side and becomes positive number, which is 38. This comes to left hand side, becomes minus 64. Ends with, answer ends with only one option. ఈ స్క్వేర్లు అర్థమైనయా? 50 square is 2500 and our number is more than that. So that will be in 50s. When this is ending with 9, it should be either 3 square or 7 square. If you take 53 square, that should be nearer to 50 square. If you treat it as 57, that should be nearer to 60 square, which is 3600. But our number is close to 50 square, not 60 square. So it has to be 3. This negative number comes left hand side, becomes positive number. 30 square is 900. Our number is more than that. 40 square is 1600. Our number is less than that. That is close to 900 or 1600. So you know that that will be in 30s, but close to 40. If it is ending with 4, it should be either 2 square or 8 square. So it will be 38 only, because that is close to 40. This number comes left hand side, becomes minus 60 square, 3600, more than that. 70 square, 4900, less than that. So under root of 4096, is it close to 3600 or 4900? 3600. So it will be in 60s only, but close to 60 square, correct? When it is ending with 6, it should end with either 4 square or 6 square. It should be close to 60. So 64. You got it? Then we verify last digit. Last digit cannot be verified. Fine. Divided by 36. What is 10 times? 20 times. This is how much less than 720? 72. Come on. So 2 times less than 20 times will be 18 times. Got it? Into 14. Into 14. Yes, come on. 14 times of 18 will be 20 times of 14 minus 2 times of 14. 20 times. 280 minus 28. 252. 36 square. 35 square. 1225. To that you need to add 35 and 36, which is 71. 1296. These two numbers goes to right hand side and it becomes negative, right? Already we have 25, 28 minus. To make this round figure, how much is required? Take 4 from the first number. How much will be there? 248. 248 plus 1300. 1548. Come on. 28 minus 48. Answer ends with 80. Abba. One carry is already taken. How much is left? 24 minus 15. 9. Done. 120% fraction. 6 by half meaning into only. Right. Into 3 by 16 into 12 times of 9. 108 plus 4. 112 by 9 into 28 1 by 2. 28 2 times 56 plus 1. 57 by. Okay. Denominator, observe this. 5 into 2. That is always safer to keep that number in denominator, right? Come on. Because you will get one decimal. Yes. How many digits you will get after decimal? Huh? Is there only one, or is there any chance of getting 2 digits also? 1 digit or 2 digits? Only one, right? Go to options. Eliminated? Come on. Right. Leaving 5 into 2, 10, because that is for decimal. Yes. Let me verify numerator ends with 6 into 3, 8 into 2, 6 into 7. Come on. Numerator ends with 2. These two numbers are kept aside for a decimal place. Are you okay? Ends with 4 into which number ends with 2? Either 3 or 8. That means your answer should end with either 0.3 or 0.8 only. Answer done. Clear? Take this fellow to right hand side. Yes. Right hand side 1100 into 1024 divided by 1600. Correct? Maatladru. 2 zeros. 2 zeros. Eliminated. 1 extra 0 is there in denominator. Yes. Forget about that 0 in denominator for some time. Denominator 16. Numerator 1024. 2 power. Denominator 2 power. Value answer 2 power. How much is that? 2 power 6. 60. So this is 64 and denominator 1 0 extra is there. You got it? 11 times. 10 times plus 1 time. What is 10 times? 1 time. 64. 640 64. 704 by 10. 70.4. Correct? Okay. This is done. Forget about this. This value goes to right hand side. Correct? And becomes minus. We'll have to write that. Wait. I'll write after some time. That is equal to x into 5.7 only. Then x value will be equal to divided by 5.7. Now our aim is to identify this fellow. Antena? Matladali. Approximately 6. Come on. Approximately 6 into 5. 30. Let me subtract 30. Or because both the numbers are more than 6 and then actual number 5. Ardhamotunda? We have taken both as 6 and 5. We have reduced number. Then our product became 30. But actual should be more than 30 or less than 30. Okay. Can I subtract 50? Yes or no? 60? 70? ఏదో చెప్పండి మరి. నో కాదు. ఏదో ఒక నంబర్ చెప్పండి. ఎంత సపరేట్ చేద్దాం? 40యా? అన్న 40 ఎందుకే? Fine, let it be 6. This also 6. One reduced, the other increased. Happy? 6 into 6. Fine. Can I subtract 6? 36 now? How much will this be? Approximate, don't calculate exact. 30 divided by will be definitely more than 5 or more than 6 only. చాలా అంతవరకు అయిపోయింది. అయిపోయింది అక్క, నన్ను చూస్తారేంటి సీరియస్గా మీ దుంపలు దిగ. దెర్ ఈజ్ ఓన్లీ వన్ ఆప్షన్ విచ్ ఈజ్ మోర్ దెన్ 1. 30 something divided by 5 something, value is definitely more than 1. There is only one option. You really need to worry if options are 4.8, 5.4, 6.3, 6.4, 7.1. If options are like this, then we need to find out exact number. You got it? ఇది ఆన్సర్. అండర్ రూట్ ఆఫ్ 2401, 40 డివైడెడ్ బై 196 ఇంటూ is equal to 444 by x. 1 less than 50. Yes, 4 times will be 4 less than 200. That is what our denominator. So how many times? 4 how many times? Then x is equal to 444 divided by 12 only. 12 3 times 36, 84. Any times? 7 times. But 39 ఎలా వచ్చింది మనకి? కరెక్ట్ 37. ఫైన్. X goes to the other side. 1774 minus 153 by 6 into 513 by 19. Right hand side number comes left hand side. 489. ఓకే, ఖచ్చితంగా అది అదే. వస్తున్నాను ఆగండి. అవ్వచ్చు, ఇది కూడా అవ్వచ్చు. 3 చచ్చినాయి, చేయాల్సిందే. రైట్. ఫస్ట్ I observed options. 2 integers, 3 decimals are there. This is integer, this is integer. You know that. Denominator we have even number. Numerator we don't have even number. So middle number, is it going to be integer or decimal? Then answer is decimal. So answer is one among these 3. This is what concluded. అది చెప్పా అందులోనే ఉంటుంది అని. Then what I verified? Is it 3 multiple? Is it 3 multiple? No. Is it 9 multiple? Denominator 3 multiple only. So you cannot eliminate the other 3 multiple from numerator. So this entire number is, this number is also, come on, this is 3 multiple, this is also 3 multiple, these two numbers sum is also. When 3 multiple is subtracted from non-3 multiple, answer non-3 multiple. This is non-3 multiple. This is also non-3 multiple. This is also non-3 multiple. ఇంకా చచ్చినట్టు చేయాల్సింది. ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేద్దాం? ఫైన్. 190 అందులో పోద్దా? పోదు. 19 2 times. Come on. 38. 38 subtracted from 51. 133. 7 times. You got it? 3. 3. 9 times. Correct? 153 9 times. 10 times minus 1 time. 1530 minus 153. Subtract 200. Add 47 later. Subtract 200. Add 47. Divided by 2 is also there, which is equal to 6, 8, 8.5. Is it positive number or negative number? That is a negative kada. We have to subtract this fellow, right? Let me verify last digit verification now. 8.5 plus 9. 7.5. Subtracted from 4. Answer should end with 6.5. అర్థం కాల ఓరే మీ దుంపదేగా. This is 688.5 minus 489, 1774. Both are negative numbers. 8.5 plus 9, 7.5 should be subtracted from 4, right? We cannot subtract from 4, so make it 14. 14 minus 7.5. Answer should end with 6.5, third option answer. Okay. Laptops companies, fine. What is the average number of laptops manufactured by companies PQRT in June? PQRT. How many companies? 4 companies are there. Leaving yes. ఇదే కదా కావాల్సింది. చేయాల్సింది. What I verified is last digit. 8 plus 7 ends with 5 plus 1, 6 plus 6, 2. Average for 4. 4 into which number ends with 2? Or 8. 2 options are there. You got it? So we have to calculate. Leaving this, come on. 15 plus 28. I am considering only hundreds place and then tens place. Units we will do it later. 15, 28. 43 plus 18. 61 plus 16. 77, which is 770, right? Okay. Next. Already 8 plus 15, 16, 22. 22 added, divided by, definitely it cannot be 4th option. So 5th is final. Already చేసి పెట్టుకున్నాం కదా కొంత లాస్ట్ డిజిట్ వరకు. What is the respective ratio between total number of laptops manufactured by companies QR together in April? QR together in April. These two. 110 plus 290, 400. 5 plus 3, 8. 408 divided by. S and T in May. May. S and T. 190, 310. 500, 4. 504. Correct? Yes. 2 options are there. Numerator is 9 multiple or 3 multiple? Numerator 3 multiple. Denominator? So one extra 3 multiple is in denominator. So your answer should have 3 multiple in second number. Correct? First, eliminate. Third, eliminate. Fourth, eliminate. Answer either 2 or 5. Correct? ఓకే, 100 డిఫరెన్స్ ఉంది. ఖచ్చితంగా 2 పార్ట్లు అయితే కావు. సెకండ్ ఆప్షన్ ఆన్సర్. అర్థం కాల. వాట్ ఈస్ ద డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ న్యూమరేటర్ అండ్ డినామినేటర్? అప్రాక్సిమేట్లీ 100. ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ దిస్ వన్, what is difference there? If 2 parts is 200, 1 part 100, then that will be approximately 1900 by 2100 only. అట్లా కనపడుతుంది ఇక్కడ ఏమన్నా? అది అయ్యే ఛాన్స్ ఉందా? ఇది కాదంటే ఇదేగా, అయిపోయింది. లేదు. You know that your second number is 21, right? To get 21 here, your cancellation should be 21 2 times. 42, 84, 4 times. So your cancellation must be with 24 kada. Come on. So if you cancel both numerator and denominator with 24, denominator will be 21. Correct? If this numerator is divided with 24, observe the last digit. 4 into which number ends with 8? 4 into which number ends with 8? Either 2. So your numerator should end with either 2 or 7. Correct? Answer. ఇప్పుడు మామూలుగా అయితే ఏం చేయాలి? న్యూమరేటర్ మామూలుగా ఏం చేయాలి? You have to cancel this number with 24. ఈజీయా? ఈజీయా? అందుకని లాస్ట్ డిజిట్ చేశా. ఆల్రెడీ సగం పైన ఆన్సర్ అయిపోయింది కదా. డినామినేటర్ ఫిక్స్ అయిపోయింది. న్యూమరేటర్లో 17 వస్తుందా 19 వస్తుందా? ఈ రెండిట్లో ఏదో కావాలంతే. అర్థమవుతుందా? లాస్ట్ డిజిట్కి వెళ్ళిపోయాను, అయిపోయింది ఆన్సర్. Number of laptops manufactured by years decreased by what percentage from March to June? March to June. 224 became 160, decreased by 64 from 224 percentage into 100. This is what we have to calculate. ఇది చేసి ఆన్సర్ పెట్టే కంటే ఆన్సర్లో ఉన్నది ఏదో చేస్తే సరిపోద్ది. Look at options first. Close to 25, 30, correct? Come on. Let me first calculate 25%. 1/4. Enta? 50. How much more you need to add? 8 more you need to add, correct? What is 1%? 2. Approximately 25. 2.25. Is it okay? 2.25 double. 4.5. 4.5 double. But this is less than that. If 1% is 2.25, 4% is close to 9, but this is less than that number. Hence, this will be less than 4%, but close to that. So, answer should be less than 29%, but close to that. Go to options. Go to options. First option, done. Followed. Total number of laptops manufactured by P in March, April together. P in March and April. Both together. Come on. 392. Is what % more than laptops manufactured by R in May? R in May. 240. With respect to 240, this is 152 more from 240 percentage into 100. We need to find out the answer, correct? Okay. 8, 19. Poddi 0 ravali. Kadu, avachu, kadu, kadu, kadu. This is final. Fine. What is 50% of the denominator? 120. What is 10%? 120, 24. 1. So far this is 60%, right? How much more we need to add? 8. What is 10%? 20. How do you get 8 using 24? By 3. Correct? 10% by 3. 3 1 by 3. 63 1 by 3. Second option. You got it? But I did not do this calculation. I've done something else. 0 0 cancel. Come on. Look at your options. Everywhere denominator is. That means you know that you are going to get 3 here in denominator. Yes? To get 3 in 24, you should go with cancellation with. Is this 8 multiple? ఏంటి నోన్ మీ దుంపదేగా 8 20 టైమ్స్ ఎంత తక్కువ 1 time less than 20 times కదా. Is that 8 multiple? So 8 multiple is perfectly cancelled here. How many times I don't care. But you still have one extra 0 in numerator. Yes? That means numerator is ending with 0. Denominator 3. So you know that numerator ends with 0. Verify that. 9 3s plus 2. Eliminate. 3 3s plus 1. Maybe your answer. 2 3s plus 2. Eliminate. 0 into 3 plus 2. Eliminate. 6 into 3 plus 1. Eliminate. Second final. That's what I did. Okay. If the total number of laptops manufactured by all the given companies together decreased by 16% from July to August, what was the total number of laptops manufactured by all the companies together in August? అంతే కదా. చచ్చినా కాదు. ఇది కూడా అవ్వదు, అది కూడా అవ్వదు, ఇది అవ్వచ్చు, అది లేదు. ఆన్సర్ అయిపోయింది. ఇది July. We have to add all the values, correct? 150 250. Come on. 190 210. Again 400. Total 800 plus 130. 930 so far. Units places. 4 4 4 2 4s 5 4s 20 950. అర్థమైందా? 950. And this value decreases by 16%. 20% minus 4%. 10%. 20%. 1. Okay. But we need to get 16 కదా. అంటే ఇంకో 4% తీసేయాలము. If this is equal to 20%, then what is 2%? 0 చేసేయటమే కదమ్మా. 20% తెలుసు, 2% కావాలి. ఏం తీసేయాలి? 0. 0 తీస్తే ఎంత? మరి 4% ఎంత? 38. ఇందులోంచి 38 తీసేస్తే ఎంత? 152. Need to subtract this? Come on. Answer. 7 9 8. But what I did was different. If the value is decreasing by 16%, it becomes 84% of some stupid number. 84 is 3 multiple. Answer should be 3 multiple. Come on. Look at first option. No. Look at second option. No. Third option. No. Fourth option. Yes, maybe. Consecutive 3 numbers. 2 plus 4, 6. No. Final. You got it? If 2 options are there, or more than 1 option is there, which are 3 multiples, then again look at this fellow again carefully. Again look at that number carefully, which is 7 multiple also. Come on. So answer should be 3 multiple as well as 7 multiple. So you can take 7 multiple also picture. You got it? Right.